Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create issue in Jira software. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now this is our Jira interface, and all we need to do is just click the Create tab. And for the project, you can choose from the projects that you've made. So let's say I'm going to use test project 1. And for the issue type, you can choose the story. And for the status, so you can choose from these. So let's say this is in progress. And for the summary, I'm going to write my request yet. So my request hasn't been approved yet. And we are going to write a description. So let's say I need this to be approved. And for the priority, I'm going to choose high. And after that, if you're done, after that, just click create. And there we go. That's how easy you can add issue in Jira. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write your questions below. I will see you guys next time. Bye.